On-site seawater electrochlorination systems generate sodium hypochlorite for water disinfection directly from seawater. This process eliminates hazardous chemicals like chlorine gas and commercial bleach, while providing robust protection against biofouling and microorganisms in any seawater intake. The system produces sodium hypochlorite on-site using only filtered seawater and electricity. Process starts with a booster pump drawing seawater through an automatic self-cleaning strainer to remove suspended solids. Filtered seawater enters a bipolar electrolyzer, where a controlled rectifier supplies DC power for electrolysis. Based on capacity, rectifiers are IGBT or thyristor-based with air or oil cooling. Inside the electrolyzer, an electrochemical reaction occurs. At the anode, chloride ions from seawater oxidize into sodium hypochlorite. Simultaneously at the cathode, water reduces to form hydroxyl ions and hydrogen gas. These species react, forming sodium hypochlorite at a concentration of around 1,800 parts per million. In a hypo storage tank, the solution settles while lighter hydrogen gas rises. Blowers dilute the hydrogen to a safe level within 1% for venting, a process monitored by a hydrogen detector. Dosing pumps inject the hypochlorite solution into water circuits for continuous disinfection. Level sensors in the tank automate production, stopping the system when full and restarting it when low. A high-temperature sensor provides additional safety, shutting down the system if the hypochlorite overheats. A central control panel, either relay-based or a PLC with a touchscreen, manages all system operations. An integrated cleaning system maintains performance by circulating dilute hydrochloric acid through the electrolyzer, removing scaling automatically without disassembly. For applications where seawater is unavailable, or for processes requiring highly precise chlorine dosages, a brine-based electrochlorination system offers an alternative. This variant utilizes a prepared salt solution, brine as the source of chloride ions, while the core electrolysis process remains the same. Both seawater and brine-based systems are fully customizable and can be engineered to meet any capacity requirement. For simple installation, the system is delivered as a pre-piped, pre-wired, skid-mounted unit. Containerized options are also available for easy shipping. The result is a safe, efficient, self-contained plant generating sodium hypochlorite using only seawater, electricity, and basic maintenance. Purifying today, protecting tomorrow.